Okay, so the machine is a VF-2SS, which means it has a super speed, 12,000 RPM, and the Y is extended Y travel. So you have 30 inches in X, 20 in Y, and 20 in Z. And again, a 12,000 RPM spindle. It has a BT40 taper with a 24 ATC automatic tool changer, side mount. Machine's also equipped with the whips, which is a wireless intuitive probing system, and you have the tool touch off. So you have part and tool. He's running the Z axis right now. He ran the X a little bit. Spindle is running at 3,500. It is super quiet. Machine is also wired and has the drive for fourth axis. 6,500 RPM. Machine also has the programmable coolant nozzle and coolant system. We are simulating a tool change. And again, machine also has a chip auger. And that's it. You can see the control there. And you also have a remote jog handle, rigid tapping, rotation and scaling, quick code, spindle orientation, high-speed machining, user-defined macros, and visual part program all in the control as well.